Headlines making the afternoon news. Man shot after being called to location for a delivery. Taxi operator, passenger shot in Westmoreland. St. Ann man charged in 2022 murder. Taxi operator killed in Westmoreland was witness in murder case. The taxi operator and a female passenger who were shot dead in Robbins River, Westmoreland on Monday were killed by a gunman posing as a passenger, according to a police report. The deceased had been identified as 37-year-old Yukal twin duo of New Works and 53-year-old Patricia Pat Stewart, a farmer of Bog district in the parish. Dewar is said to have been a witness in a case that is ongoing in the Westmoreland Circuit Court, where his twin brother was shot dead in May 2020 and he was shot and injured. Reports from the police are that Dewar, who operated a black Toyota Wish motorcar, was traveling along the Robbins River Main Road en route to White House with Stewart as a passenger in the front seat and a male passenger in the rear seat. Dewar is said to have stopped along the Robbins River Main Road to set down the male passenger. It is alleged that the male passenger then brandished a handgun and opened fire, hitting Dewar and Stewart multiple times. Dewar reportedly lost control of the vehicle, which careened off the road and ran into a yard, where it collided into a palm tree. The police were alerted and on their arrival found both victims slumped over the gear and handbrake levers of the car. Both victims were assisted to the Savannah Public General Hospital, where they were pronounced dead. 4 months ago, a man was called to a location in Content Garden, St. Ann, to make a delivery. However, when he got there, he was reportedly met with gunfire. His alleged shooter is now in police custody facing several charges. The police, in a release Monday, said Tyreek Hill, 22, of Charlestown in St. Ann, was charged with several offenses under the Offenses Against the Person Act and the Firearms Act following the November 2, 2022 incident. The charges are wounding with intent, possession of a prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and using prohibited weapon to commit a felony. Reports from the St. Ann's Bay Police are that about 12:25 p.m., a man was called to a location to make a delivery when he was allegedly pounced upon by Hill, who opened gunfire, hitting him. The man managed to escape and was assisted to the hospital, where he was admitted. Hill was charged on Sunday after an identification parade. His court date is to be finalized, the police said.